I like to identify myself. That means who I am. To speak the truth, I am your English teacher, the assistant professor in English, Maspada Degree College, Pangsha, Rajbari. At this time, I shall teach you the previous classes that I taught you again and again. Question number 4. What is the category of question number 4? Complete the sentences using phrases and clauses or necessary words. That's why in my previous class I talked with you including how to use infinitive phrase or present participle, past perfect participle or perfect participle, and conjunctional, subordinate clause and prepositional phrase. So now I like to introduce to you some other points, such as we can complete the sentence using the term parts of speech if. By using if we can make complex sentence, even we can make exclamatory sentence. If, what kind of parts of speech? It is adverb. In what sense? It refers to if, jodi or wish. In this sense, in the sense of wish, this is exclamatory sentence. And if there is any conditional term to make other sentence, the sentence turns into complex sentence. Now, was the board? If you read more, you will learn more. তুমি যদি বেশি পড়ো তুমি বেশি শিখবে বা জানবে। In this sentence, we can observe the starting point if, and this is the structure of complex sentence. And here if expresses or indicates conditional, and the first part is present tense. If the first part of the sentence using if is indefinite tense, the next sentence may be indefinite tense or it will be future indefinite tense. Such as, if you read more, you will learn more. Here we see the next sentence is future indefinite tense. And if we say, if you read, you can. If we use here can, the sentence is indefinite. So, if has its own character. If can make sentence complex sentence. If can make sentence exclamatory. How if can make exclamatory sentence? Such as, for example, if I were a child, আমি যদি আবার শিশু হতাম, এই অর্থে if can make the sentence exclamatory. But here we can see if has become a conjunctional term because this sentence is joined by subordinate conjunction. That means subordinate conjunction if is used here. Sometimes you can say, but you can ask me, sir, if is used in the middle of the sentence, that is conjunction, may be, but if the sentence is conditional and if is used at the beginning of the sentence must be complex sentence. So it is sure, there is certainty that there is no sense of doubt about this sentence because there are 2 points. This is tense and this is conditional. On 2 points, the sentence has become complex sentence and it is used as subordinate conjunction. Next point I say, it depends on tense and it can change the tense of the sentence. If starts with present tense, the next tense will be indefinite or the next tense will be future indefinite. Always you should remember. Number 2, if you studied, তুমি যদি বেশি পড়ালেখা করতে, you would learn more. Past tense অর্থে তুমি আরো অধিক শিখতে পারতে। এই যে would is used here. What is the structure? How is the structure? If you studied, this is past tense. So the structure of the sentence indicates to the sentence must be past, future past form would. If you studied, you would learn more. যদি তুমি বেশি পড়ালেখা করতে তাহলে তুমি বেশি শিখতে বা শিখতে পারতে। Here we can use even, could, even, sometimes, might. It depends on the structural point of sentence. Number 3, if you had studied, you would have learned. তুমি যদি বেশি পড়ালেখা করে থাকতে, more, you would have learned. Here, if the sentence is past perfect, the next sentence must be future past form would have structure here. You see here. Next, after have, you must use past participle form of verb. It is used, remember, T suffixed. By using suffix T, ed or d, we can make past participle form. What kind of verb learned in my previous classes? I told you again and again. This is weak verb because T is used at the final word. So by using it, we can sentence complex, and if the present form is used in the beginning, the next sentence will be future indefinite, and after using if the sentence is past indefinite, the next tense would be past future form. Next, if it starts with past perfect tense, it naturally would be changed using would, could, such as would have, could have, and structural point verb past participle form. Next point, we come to the point 1, 2, 3. These 3 sentences are of complex. That means these are complex sentences. Number 4, Tokyo is the capital city of Japan. Here is the structure. The underlined words will remain vacant, will remain omit. In the vacant place, you will have to use other words, necessary words. Firstly, we see Tokyo is the, using the. Next, capital city. This is noun phrase of preposition Japan. Here we can see the structure: article plus noun plus phrase. What kind of article? You see the. Capital city. City is noun, capital is noun. It is noun phrase. But adjective noun phrase we can understand because city refers to capital. In this sense, capital is used here as adjective. But noun plus noun, we see noun phrase. And of Japan, prepositional phrase. Prepositional sense because preposition is used before noun Japan, profound noun. In this sentence, there is structural form. What is the structural point? Tokyo is the capital city. The capital city. Using the next noun phrase, we can make the sentence. And you should take help from such type of structure in the examination, receiving your question paper. So, what are the other structures? In this structure, the point 5, the fishes of Bangladesh are a oil. বাংলাদেশের মৎস্য বা মাছ একটি বড় সম্পদ. The fishes of Bangladesh are a oil. There is a structure. Article the, noun, preposition and noun. How can be this? First we can see the next fishes, noun, next prepositional phrase. So remember, what are a great oil? The fishes of Bangladesh are a oil. The is article, fishes noun of Bangladesh, prepositional phrase. So the structure includes here article plus noun plus prepositional phrase can make the sentence, and you will replace the vacant place using this kind of structures. Another point, we live in society for peace and happiness. The vacant place, you should replace it using your own words to make the sentence. The sentence must be meaningful. How? You should can remember the structure, noun plus noun, even prepositional phrase. We live in society. In society, this is prepositional phrase. For peace, this is prepositional phrase. Peace and happiness, this is compound phrase. Peace and happiness, this is noun phrase. Phrase within the phrase. Phrases within the phrase. There are many phrases. Phrase within the phrase. Phraser moddhe phrase. And at last, the last phrase is compound phrase. Because peace and happiness are joined by conjunction and. This is compound phrase. What kind of compound phrase? This is noun phrase. Because noun phrase consists of two nouns. Peace, happiness, both are nouns. We live in. After live in, we live in, the next sentence you should have to cover using your own words. So you should remember, using noun phrase, using prepositional phrase, you can easily make your sentence. You should always remember this point. Point 7. I saw a little girl with blue eyes. We saw a little girl with blue eyes. You should think about this sentence. With blue eyes. These underlined words will be omitted, or you will think it remain vacant. So you should replace it with necessary words. Use. Such what kind of words or structure you will use here? Firstly, you see, I saw a little girl, adjective phrase, with blue eyes. In this sentence, with blue eyes, adjective. Next, with preposition plus adjective. I saw a little girl, this is also adjective phrase, and with blue eyes. This is adjective phrase used by or before. We can see preposition with blue eyes. So the sentence is complete, and at the end of the sentence you should have to use necessary words. Sentence must be, here you see the sentence is present, okay, past indefinite tense. So here you should always remember tense. Next, structural form. So to replace the sentence, to use any kind of words in the sentence, you should remember what kind of tense it is. Next, you will think, is there any conditional or is there any sense of complex sentence, whether sentence is simple or complex or compound. So on my discussion you will think over tense and if there is any conditional. Yes, in these sentences we can easily see that if is used again and again, and every sentence is a complex sentence. Number 4, we can see structural point, article plus noun phrase. What is noun phrase? And you should remark it, the using or using place of noun phrase in the sentence. It is used here before prepositional phrase. On point 5, the fishes of Bangladesh are a whale. If the underlined words are omitted, you should use before the sentence plural form of verb, because are indicates are. After second person you can use are. In this sense it may be you are a student. Here you number, that's another point, but here subjects are plural but object is singular. That is why a is used here. Why a is used here? After plural form subject and are, we can use article a. In what sense? If the object is plural, but here subjects are plural but object is singular. From my discussion I can give you assurance again. If you watch my class every day, and when you will see that this is very difficult, you can ask me, informing me by your mobile phone. I don't like to enhance my speech elaborately, because the main points are discussed here, and on question number 4 I will take another class. So you should practice, or you should make a habit to watch my class again and again. Thank you very much.